All right, so our next performer is going to be Sid, who is going to announce his piece as well and what he'll be playing.
Hello, my name is Sid and I will be playing Prelude 1 by Gershwin. I have all the piece memorized besides the last page.
All right, Sid performing Prelude number 1 by Gershwin. Awesome, so I'm going to restart the poll again. And if you have any verbal feedback, you can go ahead and raise your hand. All right, you guys can see the poll now, so you can start filling that out. You guys a moment to do that. And then Matt, if you want to go ahead.
I like the dynamics and the articulation.
I definitely agree with that. Let's see. How about anyone else have any feedback before I call on people? How about Shivani? If you want to go ahead, do something.
No, I don't have anything to say.
All right. All right, so let's take a look at the poll since it looks like everyone filled it out at this point. So, poll results. Dynamics. So look at the poll now. In dynamics, you got 1 vote for 3 and 3 votes for 4. And yeah, I think the dynamics was pretty good. I think that was in terms of like what I heard, like especially when you're going from those like really softs, those really louds, like you really expressed that and brought that out. So I thought that was pretty nice. Articulation. Yeah, lots of those runs were really clean for the most part. So you got 2 votes for 3, 2 votes for 4. I'd say that's a pretty accurate description. Wasn't perfect, but definitely it was pretty good for the most part. Balance, we got 1 vote for 3 and 3 votes for 4. There were some sections where I thought the left hand came out a little bit strong, and this is just kind of a personal preference thing. But overall, because it is a Gershwin piece, it is very loud, rhythmic, percussive, and especially this prelude specifically. So I'd say the balance was pretty good overall in that sense. In terms of the phrasing, we have 1 vote for 2 and 3 votes for 3. So phrasing, yeah, I think like this kind of goes along with the rhythmic thing, kind of expressing it how it goes in terms of the phrasing is super important. So maybe kind of like slowing down a little bit through some of the sections to kind of work through that. And then the last one, movement, we have 3 votes for 3 and 1 vote for 4. So yeah, in terms of movement, I wasn't particularly watching because I was moving the music, but movement is definitely something that's super important, especially with this piece, since it really does, it kind of has a groove to it, and it does move a lot. So I think especially expressing that, and I think he did a pretty good job overall in terms of what I did see. Yeah. All right. So